Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel GH Uni Application Tips. And if you've not watched any of my previous videos, I encourage you to please watch them so you don't miss out on the necessary information when applying either to the University of Ghana or the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. So today, moving on, we are going to look at the College of Health Sciences, the available programs which is being offered at the college, the entry requirements for these various programs, the available campus where these programs can be found, the cutoff point for these programs, and the choice of selection and preference. So what this means is that there are some programs that can be selected as your first, your second, your third, or your fourth choice. So moving straight forward, we are going to look at Bachelor of Science Human Biology, also known as Medicine, and Bachelor of Science in Dental Surgery. And the entry requirement for these two programs is that you must have credit passes at least a grade C6 in your core subjects such as core mathematics, English language, and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects including biology, chemistry with either physics or elective mathematics. These two programs are available on the main campus. However, Bachelor of Dental Surgery is a fee-paying program only. So please take note of this. So the cutoff point for Bachelor of Medicine was aggregate 6 as of last academic year, and it's a first choice selection only. And the cutoff point for Bachelor of Dental Surgery was aggregate 8 as of last academic year, and it's also a first choice selection. Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, DVM, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all the core subjects such as English language, mathematics, and integrated science, as well as credit passes in 3 electives including biology, chemistry, and either physics or elective mathematics. So this program is available on the main campus and it's a first choice selection only. However, the cutoff point for Doctor of Veterinary Medicine was aggregate 15 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Science Medical Laboratory Technology, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in all the core subjects such as English language, mathematics, and integrated science, and 3 elective subjects such as biology, chemistry, and either physics or mathematics. This program is being offered at the main campus and it's a first choice selection only. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Medical Laboratory Technology was aggregate 8 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Science in Nursing and Bachelor of Science in Midwifery. And the entry requirement for these two programs is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in the core subjects such as English language, mathematics, and integrated science, as well as credit passes in 3 electives such as biology, chemistry, physics, or mathematics. These two programs are being offered at the main campus and it's a first choice selection only. So the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Nursing was aggregate 9 as of last academic year, and the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Midwifery was aggregate 10 as of last academic year. And this program, Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, is only available for females, so please take note of this. Bachelor of Science Physiotherapy and Sports Science, and the entry requirement is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in the core subjects such as English language, integrated science, and core mathematics, as well as credit passes in 3 elective subjects such as biology, chemistry, and either mathematics or physics. This program is being offered at the main campus and is also a first choice selection only. And please note that shortlisted applicants must successfully pass an interview before gaining admission for this program. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Physiotherapy and Sports Science was aggregate 14 as of last academic year. Doctor of Pharmacy, also known as PharmD, and the entry requirement for Doctor of Pharmacy is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in the core subjects such as English language, integrated science, and core mathematics, as well as 3 elective subjects including biology, chemistry, and either mathematics or physics. PHARM D is being offered at the main campus and is also a first choice selection only, and the cutoff point for Doctor of Pharmacy was aggregate 6 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Science in Disability and Rehabilitation Studies, and the entry requirement for this program is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in the core subjects such as English language, integrated science, mathematics, and credit passes in 3 elective subjects from the science, general arts, business, visual arts, and vocational background. This program is being offered at the main campus and is also a first choice selection only. However, the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science, Disability and Rehabilitation Studies was aggregate 17 as of last academic year. Bachelor of Science, Medical Imaging and Bachelor of Science, Physician Assistantship. And the entry requirement for these 2 programs is that you must have credit passes at least grade C6 in your core subjects such as English language, core mathematics, and integrated science, as well as 3 elective subjects such as biology, chemistry, and either physics or mathematics. These programs are available on the main campus and it's a first choice selection only. The cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Medical Imaging was aggregate 10 as of last academic year, and the cutoff point for Bachelor of Science Physician Assistantship was aggregate 7 as of last academic year. So we are going to look at some of the things you should take note when applying to programs in the health sciences. Admission to some programs in the health sciences is not straightforward, as you must go through some screening process such as entrance exams and attending an interview before you are finally admitted. Becoming a fee-paying or a regular student is determined after the screening process. So after attending the screening process, the college will assess performance of applicants and will determine if this applicant qualifies for a regular student or a fee-paying student. All the programs in the health sciences should be selected as first choice only due to their competitive nature. So prospective applicants should also be mindful of this as well. So I'd like to thank you viewers for watching, and in my next video we'll be looking at the College of Humanities and Social Sciences. So please stay tuned and let's gain over 100 likes for this video so I make another video on how to apply at the University of Science and Technology's online application portal step by step. So please do make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, ask questions, and share to friends and relatives who are also applying this academic year. And do well to click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.